UnitedHealth Group, the U.S.'s largest single health carrier, reported their second quarter earnings on July 14. Net revenue grew by 16% to $92.9 billion. A deeper look at their two operating businesses shows that UnitedHealthcare, their medical insurance arm, reported 55% of gross revenue, and Optum, their health services business, came in at 44.5%. UnitedHealthcare year-over-year business grew 13%. Optum grew an impressive 25% to $56.3 billion, citing revenue per consumer increase and net new patients. Looking at the group's income statement, operating profit grew by 13% to just over $8 billion, up by more than 8% year-over-year. A small increase in interest charges from last year saw EBT grow by 8.5%. Net income reported was $5.5 billion, up 8% from 2Q 2022. Nearly 6% of net revenue. Some notable market value ratios saw earnings per share up 9% to $5.82 per share. Sales per share increased by 17% to 99 times, and cash per share at 49 times grew 68%. The increased cash from the statement of cash flows showed more than $14 billion in net changes in operating assets and liabilities from operating activities. Book value was up 8% to 93 times per share, while PE came in at 20.69x. The PEG ratio shows 2.27. UnitedHealthcare Group's lever ratios put debt to assets at 0.23, little changed from last year. Debt to equity, however, was slightly worse to 0.75 as the firm added $5 billion to long-term debt. Interest coverage stood at 9.73, reflecting the additional debt United took on. The dividend was $3.49 per share, growing at over 12% year-over-year. At current market prices, that's a yield of 7.2%. The enterprise value of the company came in at $478 billion. In terms of their liquidity, the current ratio improved slightly to 0.8. The quick ratio improved by 11% to 0.57. Cash per unit of current liabilities was much improved to 0.41 times, an increase of 31%. Return on assets was 8% annualized, slightly down, reflecting the additional long-term debt the business took on. Return on equity was 25% annualized, with an equity multiplier of 3.21.